And just earlier today, Governor Ivey announced the state is expanding its Reach Out and Read program. The Alabama Department of Early Childhood Education, Alabama Medicaid Agency, and the Alabama Department of Public Health are hopping on board to help. The program gives kids brand new books at doctor's visits. And this is important because Alabama actually ranks in the bottom 5 in education nationally. Right now, the program is being piloted in 5 counties, and Marshall County is one of them.